Wait, someone told you that you need eggs to make great cakes? Nonsense. Take a look at my top 4 egg-free cake recipes that everyone needs in their repertoire. No special ingredients are needed, and I bet you have everything in your pantry right now. The only recipe that needs an electric mixer is the white cake. Otherwise, the other 3 are easy one-bowl mixes. First up, my chocolate cake. Luscious, deep, dark chocolate cake with all the ingredients I bet you have right now. Cocoa powder is mixed with hot brewed coffee, or water if you absolutely dislike coffee, oil, vinegar to activate the baking soda, vanilla extract, and it all gets whisked right into the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Pour it into your cake pan, or it makes the best cupcakes too. Ice it up with fudge or nothing at all because this cake is spectacular all by itself. Speaking of spectacular, my most rave-reviewed recipe on the internet is my bakery yellow cake recipe. It's another one-bowl mix. The flour, sugar, baking soda, and salt get sifted together. Add the plant milk to the melted vegan butter and vanilla extract and whisk it all together. That's it. It's so easy and it's so delicious. This cake really doesn't need any icing either, but hey, why not slather on my bakery fudge icing? Again, this recipe makes the best cupcakes too. Now for everyone's favorite, carrot cake. I've even got the best recipe for cream cheese icing that doesn't require any vegan cream cheese. But first, the cake. Sugar gets mixed with oil, orange zest is my secret ingredient, flax meal for a binder, and then the flour and spices get mixed straight in. Add the shredded carrots, and I also use apples in mine. Walnuts are optional, and voila, you're done. Make layer cakes or sheet cakes, and cupcakes are perfect too. Now for the truly white vegan white cake, and this one has more ingredients and it does require the electric mixer. I'm creaming my vegan butter and sugar, then adding in my homemade egg replacer. The dry ingredients are alternated with the plant milk, and soon it transforms to a silky, beautiful cake batter that is so moist and fluffy and delicious. Once again, the most perfect cake recipes and more are at Gretchen'sVeganBakery.com. So head over to my website, grab the written printable recipes, and thanks for watching. Until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.